Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair your Libratone One Style speaker with your MacBook. So first of all, on this speaker you have to find the power button and click and hold it until this indicator turns on. Now release, and then click and hold this beard icon for like 2 seconds until this indicators on the left and the right side starts blinking. Then put it close to your MacBook and smoothly go to the system settings, go to the Bluetooth, and right now from the nearby devices list you just have to select your speaker, so be patient and wait. And we are connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.